from Jersey Shore Area Middle School.
Today we're going to PMF Industries
to find out what's so cool about manufacturing.
Let's go!
We also take on a lot of interns. Right now we have an intern in engineering. You have 3.
I have 3 interns right now from Penn College.
Right. 2 of them are actually engineers and the other one's a machinist, right?
Yeah.
And they were actually, one's working on the floor, the other one's doing operational instructions.
Military. So everybody has to fill in their own little niche. You know, as we, or you, get older, you know, like I said, you have to decide which way it goes. And, you know, whether it's marriage, kids, something like that, may make you or decide your course of action for you, you know. So
Thank you, PMF, for allowing us into your business for a day to make this video possible.